Drug development stages. An overview. Stage 1. Drug discovery. The drug development process begins with drug discovery and research. This initial stage focuses on identifying a molecule that can effectively target and treat a specific disease or condition, known as the therapeutic indication. During this phase, researchers, often with advanced degrees such as PhDs, work to discover new molecules or repurpose existing ones. The goal is to find a compound that has the potential to cure or manage a particular disease, like the vaccines developed for COVID-19, which involved identifying molecules that could prevent the virus from causing illness. Following the discovery of a promising molecule, the next stage is preclinical trials. This phase involves testing the molecule in animal models to assess its safety and properties. Key factors evaluated include the molecule's absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion ADME. Animals such as mice, rabbits, and monkeys, which have physiological similarities to humans, are used for these tests. Approval from animal ethics committees and regulatory bodies is required before these trials can proceed. Participants in this stage typically include life science graduates, biotechnologists, microbiologists, and other specialists, often contributing as part of their PhD research. It is common for only a fraction of molecules to successfully pass this stage and proceed further. The molecule that successfully clears preclinical trials then enters the clinical trials phase. This stage involves testing the molecule in human participants to ensure its safety and efficacy. Clinical trials are conducted in multiple phases. Phase 1 tests the drug in a small group of healthy volunteers to determine its safety and optimal dosage. Phase 2 involves a larger group of patients to evaluate its effectiveness and side effects. And Phase 3 includes a large-scale test to confirm its efficacy, monitor adverse reactions, and compare it to existing treatments. This phase is heavily regulated with strict adherence to ethical guidelines and protocols. Finally, after a molecule has successfully navigated clinical trials, it enters post-marketing surveillance. This phase involves monitoring the drug's performance and safety once it is available on the market. It includes collecting and analyzing data to ensure ongoing safety and effectiveness. The surveillance helps to identify any rare or long-term side effects and assesses the drug's market demand and relevance. For instance, a diabetes drug might be widely distributed in areas with high prevalence of the disease, ensuring that the drug meets the needs of the population it was designed to serve. Real-world data to monitor the drug's performance in a larger, more diverse population. Regulatory agencies, healthcare providers, and pharmaceutical companies collaborate to track adverse events, effectiveness, and usage patterns. This surveillance helps identify any long-term or rare side effects that may not have been apparent during clinical trials. Additionally, it informs healthcare providers and patients about the optimal use of the drug. The data collected can lead to updates in labeling, usage guidelines, or even the withdrawal of the drug from the market if significant safety concerns arise. Drug development is a costly and lengthy process, often taking over a decade and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. High failure rates, complex regulatory requirements, and the need for extensive testing contribute to these challenges. However, recent innovations are helping to streamline the process. Advances in biotechnology, such as CRISPR and other gene editing technologies, artificial intelligence for drug discovery, and personalized medicine approaches are revolutionizing how new drugs are developed. These innovations have the potential to reduce development times, lower costs, and increase the success rate of new treatments, ultimately bringing effective therapies to patients faster.